How's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install FFmpeg on Ubuntu. Now, there are three ways you can install FFmpeg on Ubuntu. You can get it through the Ubuntu Software Center, which we have covered in the guide in the description. You can also get it through Synaptic Package Manager, which again is covered in the guide that we have in the description. Or you can get it through my favorite way, the command line terminal. So to start off, open up yourself a terminal. You can do that by searching for terminal in the app menu. From here, all you really need to do is do apt search. Just look through the packages, make sure it's in that you can actually install it, because you might have an issue where Ubuntu isn't showing you access to the package. So we'll just look through real quick. So we do have access to FFmpeg, so we can install it using the apt command. So sudo apt install FFmpeg. Enter our password. It will go through and it will download everything that we need and install it. Once the installation is complete, you can see that it is showing up when I do ffmpeg-help. So guys, just a quick little video on how to get FFmpeg installed on Ubuntu. If you need more information, don't hesitate to check the description of this video. We have this all written out for you, so that's easy to understand. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next video.